Hello, Jules here. This is video number 1, PYM dashboard for end users. If you are an end user, you own multiple machines that need to be maintained based on their usage, this video is for you. If you are a service provider and your job is to service machines at several different sites, video number 2 is more suited for you. End users, back to you. Let's start with the Overview tab. And here you have two tables listing all of your machines. These machines are to be maintained based on their usage, and to monitor this, we have installed a tracking device on each single machine. Each tracker reports directly to the PYM application and gives you valuable information via this PYM dashboard. The preventive maintenance schedule gives you all the information you need about your machines, such as the current runtime, the next service runtime, and the next service date, for when the machine will get to this service runtime. You can have additional information such as service levels and job number for service management. The next table is a schedule for the machines that are overdue for a service. The last three features are bar graphs to give you a snapshot of your entire plant runtime and production. This dashboard example is set up for air compressors, but it can be modified to suit any other machines such as generators, pumps, mobile equipment, etc. The last graph can be used for your maintenance KPI. Here we are showing the maintenance cost per hundreds of cubic meters of compressed air being produced. When selecting a machine from the list of one of the first two tables, the dashboard takes you to the Equipment tab. If you know the equipment ID, you can directly enter it in this area. The Dashboard tab is a summary of the equipment runtime. This example is set up for an air compressor, which explains the two runtime meters, 1, 2. We have the total values here, the values for the week, and the values for the month. Note that this can be modified to suit. The Maintenance tab helps you organize your upcoming maintenance operation. This gauge here shows the current runtime. The previous service happened at 3040 hours, and the next service will be due at 4540 hours. Next is the runtime per week and per year, which can also be set up per day or per month as well. Finally, some information about the next service. When is it going to be due? What is it going to be? If you have a job management system or use a service provider, here is the reference for the job. And lastly, the estimated cost. Below, you have the preventive maintenance schedule for each individual service level for the machine and the service history. At this stage, job numbers and estimated cost from preventive maintenance and service history are entered manually via these two forms, for the preventive maintenance job and for the service history. Note that if you or your service provider is using a job management system, we can make a bridge between the two applications, so your job management system and PYM, and sync this information automatically. Now, the last tab is the tab reports. So this is for the reports, and it shows the runtime per week, so for your machine, as well as the production per week, and finally the power consumption. So that's it for this video. Note that this is the first version, and a lot more features will be added as we grow and get feedback from our users. If you want to know more, you can contact us via our website.